Hello and welcome everyone to this new part where we will learn about sequences in Python, what are lists, how you can store multiple amount of data is in it, how you can retrieve that data and everything. So let's just start with start learning about lists in Python. The first thing, lists. Alright, so let me ask you, what if I tell you that I want to store the days of the week? So you would do something like day is equals to Monday, and then Tuesday, then Saturday, Friday, Sunday. Okay, and you would say like, just let's print days, and cool, we get days of the week, right? But what if I want to get only Monday? What if I want only Tuesday? What if I only want to get values from Monday till Friday? Alright, or what if I want to get values from Tuesday till Friday? Alright, you can't do that in variables. Or you could do something like day 1 equals to Monday. That is boring. You would have so many variables for just each value. So that's why Python have something called lists. So lists are, you will deal with lists on a day-to-day basis. To make a list, you have to make it is simple to a variable, but it comes with these square brackets. Okay, and you have to write every value separated with a comma. For example, we have Monday. Alright, Monday, then a comma, Tuesday, then Wednesday, and then Thursday, then Saturday, right? Right? Now we print days. Now we will get each value separately, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And you might be wondering where I am getting all this from. Let me show you where I am getting all these things from, because I didn't go to university to learn all of these things. I learned it from online. So it is called docs.python.org. Right? So this is the official documentation of Python. Here you will find everything about Python there is. So let's search about sequences, if we can find that in here, and do tutorial. Yes, if you go to this tutorial, you will be like almost a professional in Python if you go through all this tutorial. Okay, and let's see what we have got there. And here are the lists, right? So let's do some cool stuff with it. Okay, so we got all the values, right? It's cool. Now what if I want to take Monday from it, or what if I want only take Tuesday from it, or only Wednesday from it? Okay, so to get a value from a list, you will do something like the name of the variable or the list. Okay, and you can do open square brackets, and you will get type 0 in here, and you will get only Monday. And you would think like, why is 0? The Monday is the first one. But in the computers world, computers don't start thinking from 1, they start thinking from 0. So the 0th element is actually the first element for humans, but for computers 0th is the first one. So in computers world, the the counting starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, if I want to take this Tuesday, for humans it would be 2, but for computers it will be 1, because 0, 1 and 1 is 2 in our case, so it would be 2. What if I want to take values from Monday till Thursday? So let's count it. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. I want values from 0 till 3. Right? You would do 0 and do colon and 3. Alright, so this is the start from 0th, get the value from 0 till 3, third, okay, which would be Thursday in our case. Lola, and we have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Alright, what if I want to get the last value? We don't know, we always don't know, we wouldn't know the last value of the list every time, because this is just a last very small list, but in reality you would be given a lot of big list and you wouldn't know what's the last value of it. To get the last value of it easily, you can do something like -1. So it is saying now that take the last value, whatever the last value is, take that. Now we should get the whole list, right? But now if I want to get the only last value, I can easily do -1, and I will always get the last value instead of counting it from 0, 1, 2, 3, which is a boring task. Alright, right? So this is much about this is all about list, I guess. And if you want to add a value, you can do days dot append, and you can add, for example, Sunday. Okay, and let's just do remove print from here for now, and do print days first without Saturday, without Sunday, and let's just do print again with Sunday. So now you will see that in the first list we don't have Saturday, but in the second print we have Sunday, because we have appended Sunday to it. The append is a function. Don't worry about functions right now, we will cover functions later, but you can say learn it as a command that you will use very often when you are adding something to it. Just like append, we have day, we can also do days dot remove, right? And I can remove Monday from it, right? And let's just do this, and now we don't have Monday in it. See, isn't this cool? And for example, if I just want to search if something is in a list or not, you would have to do search in other very boring stuff in other languages, but in Python it is very easy. So we have something called in operator. So what we can do is, if I type here Monday in days, it will return me a boolean. So what is a boolean? A boolean is either true or false, right? So it will either return me false or true. Okay, so let's see what it will do. And it is saying false because I removed Monday in here. See, but if I do Tuesday in it, it should give me true here. See, so I think that's it for lists. Keep practicing with lists. Go through this documentation as well if you can. If you see that documentation is very daunting, don't worry, I am here. I will record more videos for you guys to learn about more stuff and cool amazing Python, and I will see you guys in the next part. Bye.